You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word pronunciation comparison. So the top word is pronounced as kiss, as in I gave her a kiss. Kiss. Okay, so you have a short E sound and then an S sound. Kiss. Now the bottom word is pronounced as keys. Alright, so those are the keys to your house or to your car. You have a long E sound rather than a short one, and a Z sound, so like a Z letter, keys. Top word again, kiss versus keys. Kiss, keys. Did you hear it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.